Welcome back to the Home Studio Simplified channel. Today we're going to be reviewing, very briefly, a pedal known as the Nano Looper. This is a pedal by Donner. It's very affordable, and I'm going to talk really briefly before we go into some audio examples about what sets this particular pedal apart from others. Now, this pedal has 10 minutes of looping time, which is unheard of in most pedals this size, unlimited overdubs, and the ability to undo and redo takes on the fly. So already it's a very affordable alternative to pedals that cost way more. Also included in the tiny little box that it comes in is a USB cable that gives you the capability of importing and exporting loops that you've created, or ones that you want to download onto it, to and from your PC and or Mac at a studio quality bit depth and sample rate, that being 44.1 kilohertz and 24-bit. The simplicity of this pedal alone makes it worth the buy. It only has one function knob, which is the level. This knob just simply adjusts the volume of the looper after the take is stored, and then can even be adjusted on the fly to accommodate certain performances. Aside from this, there's also only one switch that's located just on the top that allows you to set the mode that you're playing in. And there are 3 modes to choose from: half speed, normal mode, and reverse mode. Although each one of these have their strengths and their weaknesses, I will not go in depth on how to use them, but I'm sure you can use your imagination, and after owning the pedal for a while, I've already seen that there's a lot of potential with just these 3 modes. Now, with the reduction of needless controls, the pedal becomes a no-hassle, straightforward utility tool that appeals to anyone, regardless of your level of playing, whether you're an expert or a novice. The LED indicator located just above the switch shows the looper's working status. Red means simply record, and green means that it's set to playback mode. Although these pictures don't do it justice, this looper has a smaller design than most, hence the aptly given title of Nano, and is very small in size but packs a huge punch. As far as the quality of the build, it's made of aluminum alloy and is very durable. The onboard LED indicator is very bright, and it's even easy to see in well-lit rooms. Both the level knob and the mode selection switch are not only easy to adjust, but they're also very sturdy as well. A notable thing to mention is that this does not come with a power supply. It takes a 9-volt DC power supply negative in the center. Also, the pedal is not capable of stereo outs, but only records and plays back in mono with the 1/4-inch mono audio jacks. The pedal also boasts that it's not only true bypassed, but claims that it has 0-tone coloration. Now, in my taking it through its paces and stacking many loops upon one another, I can honestly say that there is hardly any signal loss whatsoever, and every loop that is stacked on top of the next actually sounds very crisp, clean, and clear, unlike other loopers where they seem to get muddy the more that you record. So before we listen to the audio example, I would definitely say that I highly recommend this as a cheaper alternative and basically a clone of the Ditto Looper and some others that are on the market. I hope this was helpful. Now let's take a listen to the audio examples provided.